Good morning, everyone. Today we discuss about a case study on role of information technology in environment and human health. See, the information technology plays a vital role in the field of environmental education and then human health. So, the information technology means collection, processing, storage, and disseminations of information. A number of software have been developed so study about the environment. So, the internet facilities, information through the satellites, so World Wide Web, and geographical information system provide us up to date so information on various as- aspect of environment and weather. So and since the computer is one of the most remarkable developments in the history of mankind. So the technological development in the information technology has connected people in different parts of the world into the single network. So the information technology has potential in every walk of life, such as business, economic, politics, medicine, environment, and culture. So the development of different internet facilities I already told, and the health service technology mainly involves three systems. So they are finance and accounting, pathology, patient administrations, and clinical system. So the information technology plays a key role in a human health. It has changed a human lifestyle completely. So many health organizations are turning to package solution of information technology for streamlining services oriented work in an effective manner. So the IT provides us with information regarding the following: the probable dangers are related to intermediate use of a natural resource, hazards results due to the use of various pesticides and gramicides, animal products, hide, bone, milk, and plant resource in the area. So effective control of population growth and soil erosion and conversion, education and public awareness, and the changes in the healthcare delivery system, and community health information networks. And this is the role of IT is the database, ENVAS, and remote sensing and GS and the health information technology. So in the so in that remote sensing and GIS, the remote sensing refers to any method which can be used to gather information about an object without actually coming in contact with it. So any force field like acoustic, gravity, magnetic, electromagnetic, etc. So could be used for remote sensing, covering various disciplines extending from laboratory testing to astronomy. At present, the term remote sensing is used more commonly to denote identification of Earth feature by detecting the characteristics electromagnetic radiation that reflected or emitted by the Earth. And the function of remote sensing is origin of electromagnetic energy, that means the sun. So transmission of energy from the source to the surface of the earth and its interactions with inverting atmosphere. So the transmission of the reflected or emitted energy to the remote sensor placed on a suitable platform through the intervening atmosphere. So detections of the energy by the sensor, converting it into the photographic image or electrical output. And database. So the database is the collections of interrelated data on various subjects. So in the computer, the information of database is arranged in a systematic manner that is easily manageable and can be very quickly retrieved. So that applications of database is the Ministry of Environment and Forest and National Management information system, and ENVA is environmental information system. So it functions in 25 centers, so all over the country. So they have generated a network of database in the areas like pollution control, clean technologies, remote sensing, biodiversity, environmental management, and deforestations. And GIS means geographical information system. So that GIS is a technique of superimposing various the matrix maps using digital data on a large number of interrelated assets. And health information and technology. So the health information and technology is that um, Tremendous potential in field of environmental education and health, the development internet facilities and various fields, a number of softwares and been developed which are friendly helps in knowing and understanding the subject. And remote sensing, graphical information, so already discussed resource mapping, environmental observations, water logging, and deforestation. And this is that satellite, and this is a database, Ministry of Environment and Science and Wildlife database and forest cover database and diseases database. And health information technology is the audio visual and data communication for medical diagnosis and treatment, and MRI magnetic resonance imaging and testing of DNA, creating a DNA database, fingerprints, medical records and X-ray and laser treatments. And the role of IT on health, it can be used for audio, visual, and data communications for medical consulting, diagnostics, and treatment nursing, and medical educations. So, in the health service of New South Wales, the case study for a role in IT in a human health. So, the health service of New South Wales are dominated by the state administrated public health service providing integrated hospitals and community services to the populations of 3 million people. So the health service has geographically diverse structure. A new IT package was introduced in these health centers to streamline the various operations of the hospitals and help in the providing better services of the people. So the IT packages purchased from the US company was found successful in the finance and accounting the pathology system. So but there were difficulties in implementing patent administrative system, that means PAS, or clinical system which involves the registrations, admission and transfer of patients as well as the medical records. So scientific handling and clinical order entry and results operating and the clinic scheduling system. So the implementation of IT packages of PAS went off successfully. So with rural hospitals as well as medium-sized hospitals without much complications. So whereas the past systems was met with constant difficulties in implementation in larger hospitals and with networks. And it's a creating a DNA database. So that means the National Institute of Occupational Health, developed by the Indian government, provides computerized information on occupational health, that is the health aspects of people working in the various hazards and non-hazards industries, safety measures, etc. So thank you. See you next class.